Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to cancel the order on any apps. Here I want to cancel the order on Meesho, so I just click on the Meesho. Next you have to click on my order. After that, here you can see this is the order that I have placed and I want to cancel this order. Then you can just select on this cancel order. After that, here it says cancel order again. Here you can cancel it, and from here you can even it says could you tell us a reason for canceling. You can select the reason if it says select for a reason, and you can also select the optional purchase product from someone else, product price has reduced, wrong product address, ordered by mistake, or price something. From here you can select all this, but I will select the product price has reduced and then cancel the order. And here the order has been cancelled successfully. Here it's not, I have to click on the back, then here it says cancel order. So friends, this is how you can cancel the order easily. And friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.